guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. New releases go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we do have unlimited stock on all of these sticker kits for the first 48 hours. So that'll be Wednesday at noon Eastern until Friday at noon Eastern, and then we also do have our Wiggle, which this week is a really pretty green, on sale during that time as well. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. Let's go over this week's Wiggle first. It is super pretty. I'm going to try and remember this week to put in the extra clips of it kind of closer up in different lightings for you guys. I forgot to last week. I was kind of in a rush to get the video scheduled on Sunday night. So this is the, and excuse my cuticles again, I'm trying to get better at it. This is the Wiggle for this week. It is a gorgeous green. It's like, again, last week with the purple, it's like a purple that we've always been trying to get. This is the same thing. It's a green. We've always been trying to get a green that is not such like an emerald kind of like Christmassy green. This is more of a springtime green. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just really quick. I'll also put in like other clips, but just in case. This is the comparison to the sparkly green. So you can see this one's a little bit more, I guess like blue toned and like darker. This is more of like a spring, like matte almost. I guess it'd be like a matte, kind of like a lime-ish green, I guess you'd call it, like a lemon lime green. So this is in the bow format, so you do have the bow bottom washi overlays, you have the icons, you have the scripts, there's also the icons, the decos, the food doodles, and then you do have all 6 of these pages as per usual with the 7 headers, the 14 half cut headers, and then the 2 full box overlays. So that is again on special for the first 48 hours of new releases starting Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then let's go over the other foil items for this week, and then we'll get into the collections, but there's a lot this week. I think there's like 5 maybe or 6, I don't know. I think I even nixed one, and I was like, I'll save this for next week because it's getting a little full. So I do have 3 foil releases for this week. They kind of all have like a theme. So this is the travel bucket list. I did release a mini version before. This is the regular size bucket list, so it's a little bit larger and bigger and fills up some space a little bit better. The same exact layout and everything. It's just the regular size version. So that comes in all 4 foils, of course, that you can pick up. There is also the travel quote box overlays. So you have Let's Go Exploring. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Live with no excuses, travel with no regrets, and we have nothing to lose and a world to see. So those come again in all 4 foils. And then last but not least, we do have some mini deco sheets that are kind of like beach themed, which I thought this was kind of like a cute little themed release, but these are great for putting on full boxes as deco or using on the top as deco, or you could even use them functionally if you're doing a like vacation spread or a countdown till a vacation. Super cute. Again, it comes in all 4 foils. So those are all of the foil releases for this week. This week we do have a lot of collections. Like I said, I do have 2 mini kit exclusives of art that came out a long time ago. I skipped, but I was like bored and wanted to find some art to make some kits with, and this is what I came up with. Oh, I thought this was mini kit exclusive. I guess not. I guess I only have 1 mini kit exclusive this week, which is totally fine. So the first mini kit exclusive is the Saving Lives. I did have a custom Saving Lives before, but I thought this art was super cute. I don't watch Grey's Anatomy, but I just thought I do get a lot of requests for a kit for it. So I saw this art. It came out, I think, maybe a year or so ago, and I was like, let's do it. So this is the full box page here. And then you have the deco page. Again, this is a mini kit exclusive. You have the functional page, and then you have the half boxes page as well as the bottom washi page. And then the extra is just 2 full boxes. Kirsten does watch Grey's Anatomy. She's a huge fan, so I kind of like came to her with like what I should do with the full boxes, and I think that this was a great option. And then also with the mini kit, that's like so many full box options. So that again is Saving Lives, and it's a Grey's Anatomy inspired kit, and it is a mini kit exclusive. There is also the option for this kit if you do want to add on the 15mm strip. There's also the option if you want to add on the label samplers, and last but not least, there's also an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler as well. So that was our only mini kit exclusive for this week. I thought that this one was mini kit exclusive, but I guess not. And this one is called Cruise. So again, this is a little bit older art that I did skip, but I wanted to come back around to it because I do get a lot of requests for cruise themed art. So it does also come in a mini kit. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit right now. Super cute colors in this kit. I love like a kit with a really good green in it. So this is the full box, so you kind of have like packing and then, you know, traveling, the actual cruise part, super cute. Just kind of like a neutral cruise kit, which I really love. Neutral as in the theme, not the colors, because obviously those are quite tropical and bright. You have your functional, your half boxes page, your headers, your little things, your ombre heart checklist, and then also your bottom washi, which is super pretty bottom washi. And then the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the Munchkin Head freebie. I'm sad because I had a cruise planned and then I got pregnant and then I had to cancel it because I would have been too far along. And I didn't even realize it until like, I think like 14 weeks, and I was like, oh man, I forgot that I can't cruise. So I won't be going on a cruise for a very long time, but hopefully some of you are, and I can live vicariously through you. You have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the label sampler, as well as the glitter headers if you want to add that on, and again, that is Cruise. The last non-exclusive kit, the art just came out today, which is Sunday, and I'm so excited. I have known about this art coming out for like forever, and I am so excited, and it is called Devilish, and this also does come in a mini kit if you want to pick that up in a mini kit. This is inspired by the show Lucifer, which I kind of got on the train very late. I don't remember even who told me to watch Lucifer, but I think it was a bunch of people. I was going through, I think maybe my first trimester, I was like, I need a TV show to watch, and so many people recommended Lucifer. I think that's what happened, and I fell down the rabbit hole, and I love Lucifer. I cannot wait for the final season. I can say though, Netflix picked them up, what, 2 seasons ago, and I've been a little bit disappointed with the like shortness of the seasons because they used to be like longer and now they short. And I think they're even doing the last season as 2 parts, but I'm not sure. And I don't even know when the final season comes out. I feel like it's gonna be June, but I'm not sure. But I love this collection. The only thing is I wish Dan was in it, but you do get Dan from the Detective Douche little badge and then also the Dan on the pudding cup. But otherwise, I'm in love. I love Lucifer. I love everything about it. If you guys watch the show, you know where I'm coming from. If you don't watch the show, you probably should give it a try. It's just a really good, easy show to watch. And I don't know, I just love the like mixture of the like detective type show mixed with like the mystical like devil stuff. I don't know, it's really good. And it's not like weird, it's just good. So you have the deco page, you have the extra full box here, which if you look at the picture on Instagram, it doesn't actually have this because I did it afterwards, but this wing isn't there, but I thought it would be a really pretty like double box, is having like him standing with his wings and then Chloe here. See what I'm saying there? So that is like an option, but if you have like just the mini kit, that still looks super cute by itself. I don't know, I just really liked it, and I was like, yes. And I'm really excited to use this kit. I think it's gonna be fun, especially if it comes out in the summer, to have like something a little bit different in color for during the summer, because I start to get a little bit like worn out from summer kits. So you do have your icons page, your functional page, your half box page, your little things page, or your headers and your little things, your ombre heart checklist, and then the bottom washi, which has the LA skyline, and then you do have the Munchkin Head freebie in both the mini and the ultimate. It's so funny because I just got a custom art from Jess, who draws this, and she said in her last video, because she does YouTube videos, that her least favorite things to draw are like skylines and vehicles, and it was the day that she sent me one of my custom arts which had a vehicle, and I think I've only made her draw now 2 vehicles, so I don't feel as bad, but like it was just funny. And then this also has a skyline in it, so she's been doing like all the things that she doesn't want to do recently, but in the name of Lucifer, I'm sure she wasn't mad about it. So this is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. There's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then last but not least, there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. If I was doing foil with this, which I obviously will, I'm probably going to do gold and red. I don't know which red. I have quite a few options to use, and I don't know which gold. I'm either going to use regular gold or Champagne Lights, which is honestly the prettiest gold sparkle ever. It is on sale currently in our foil sale. All of our old wiggles are reduced price to $10 because we're trying to make room for the new format wiggles. And yeah, so I would do gold, got all that gold in there, and red. I think that's gonna be super pretty. It's gonna be a really good one, guys. If you like Lucifer, you need to pick it up. If you haven't watched Lucifer yet, you need to watch Lucifer. It's so good, especially if either of those, like detective or kind of like, I don't know if like mystical is the right word for it, but like the devil stuff. I don't know. It's just like really cool how they incorporate it all together. Now I have 2 exclusive collections for you guys. This one's a highly requested one, and then the next one I'm just super pumped for. So this one is called I Do, and it is our newest exclusive wedding kit. So this is exclusive art to SBC. You won't find it anywhere else. It also comes in a mini kit, and this is a beach wedding art. I don't think I've done a beach wedding art in a long time. The last exclusive art, I think it's called Always, possibly, and it is in our shop currently, which is more of like a woody, it could be kind of like just an outdoors theme, or like more of like a fall, but also kind of leans summery kind of wedding kit. So this is, I wanted to go full-blown beach for this. So I think summer wedding, beach wedding, whatever you want to use it for. I really love the colors of this. You have the 2 different double boxes, which I just think it will make this really unique. And then you have all of the different elements in there that I just think are really pretty. I like the, it's not, I think it's like it's a really like a sea water blue, I guess, that it's like a blue-green sea water. I think there's a better word for it that I'm completely blanking on, but it's just very like beachy, sandy. I love the color. Like, look at these colors. They're so pretty. It's going to be just so light, bright, and beautiful. So these are the full boxes. You also have the ombre heart checklist. Like I said, this also does come in a mini kit. This is the ultimate. You have your extra full box here, which just like, I just really love the way everything turned out about this kit, and I just think it's like, it's neutral, but like it's a beach wedding kit. Tons of deco over there. I love the like sand color in this. You have it in the bottom washi. There is also the Munchkin head freebie there in both the ultimate and the mini, but like it's just a really good kit, and I was really happy with the way it turned out, especially with the 2 scenes. And you could totally break those up anytime that there's a scene. If you don't want to do like a double box scene type thing, you could totally break those up. Put one of these up in the like the thankful thought area with a quote, and then throw one of these, you know, somewhere on the other side of the page, and you're not going to know the difference. But it's just super, super pretty. So there's that. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which has a gorgeous ombre. I don't know anyone who's going to get married, which makes me feel so sad, but you know, this is going to go in my kit binder, and when someone gets married, I'm going to use it. Somebody get married. Please, anyone. There is a glitter header option if you want to add that on, and last but not least, no, actually not last but not least, but there's also the label sampler, of course. But then I also did some bride options here, so you have some different tall box brides. You could cut them down if you just want them to be full boxes, but I think on the sidebar, again, with like something on the top with like a wedding quote like this one, if you were going to do the 2 scenes, I would do probably this one or this one as the quote box, and I think that would be so pretty with this on the sidebar. Love it. But I just think she's so beautiful, and I love the dress. It's very like mermaidy and just like simple and classic and beautiful, and I'm obsessed. And I really am disappointed that no one's getting married, and I'm gonna probably just figure out a way to use it and just go with it. If you guys have any like reasoning why I should use it that I'm missing out on, please let me know. Maybe anniversary. It's in February, but like it could work. I literally don't know. Maybe like Amanda one day, like Amanda soon, like do we think? I don't know, but like somebody please get married. The next kit we have here is a custom, which also the last one was custom, so you won't find this art anywhere else, and it is so stinking cute. If you guys watched my last plan with, my last plan with me, I did Avery's birthday like spread, and this is going to be what I use for Reagan's first birthday. So this is called Sprinkles, and Kirsten really wanted a donut sprinkle inspired kit for Reagan's first birthday, and I had to oblige. I thought it was very also sellable. I think that this could be great for your birthday. I think that it could be great for like a little girl's birthday, a little boy's birthday, a baby shower. Like this has a plethora of different occasions where it would be perfect for. But I just think it's super cute. I love the colors. Let me show you guys compared to Hollow Party. So it's a little bit more pastel, and it like has more of the green and the blue in it. But I think it's like a real look, and I just like that they're both kind of this year gonna have kind of like a similar color aesthetic for their weeks for their birthday. But I just love it. So you have the two girls there in all white, which I just love. I think it really pops against all of the colors. You have like the like rainbow marble background with all the sprinkle like little stashes there. The super cute like fun scene, presents, cake, the whole 9 yards. Both the Ultimate and the Mini do have the Munchkin head freebie. You have the deco page here. Super cute. I love the colors of this. This is going to look super pretty with silver or sparkly hollow, or it could be really fun with a like fun foil color or mixed metal in there. Super cute. It would be cute with, I think we still have some in the shop of the, I think it was November Mystery, where it was like the hollow, sparkly hollow mixed foil. Whew, so cute. You have your functional, you have your half boxes, you have your headers, you have your little things, your ombre heart checklist, and then your bottom washi. It is just such a cute little kit there. Super cute. Let me go ahead and show you guys all of that on options. Obviously I had to do fam because I just had to do it. I haven't done fam in a minute. It's probably been like 3 weeks since I've done fam boxes, and I am needing my fan boxes. So this also, like I said, does come in a mini kit. There is your core options. So you have your option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which this color is so fun. I love this color. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and you have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then there's also this super cute option. So these are just different shirts. So you have 1, 2 sweet, don't you know I'm 3, and forever sweet. So it's just kind of like, I obviously wasn't going to go all the way to like 25, but you got your first 4 birthdays covered there. And then there is also the option if you want to add on fam. So these fam are in the same normal, like red hair is always fam 1. So this has a little girl here. You have the back of a girl with hair. You have a little baby girl here, which is super cute. You have just this is the same throughout. You have a guy here, the tall girl, and then you have the little boy, which I love this little outfit. I just think it's so cute. And also the balloons are super adorable. I love that she threw in some transparent balloons, because I think that gives it a little bit of texture there. So again, fam 1, fam 2, fam 3, fam 4, fam 5, and last but not least, fam 6. So those are all of the fam box options. So that is everything for this week. That's a lot. I feel like we just been on a roll over here. Last week's releases were crazy. Like I was kind of just like, what, we oversold mini kits. So whenever I say oversell mini kits, we stock like X amount of mini kits, and whenever unlimited stock's up, we close them. If there's any, let's say there's like 10 left, then you can still purchase them. But if we oversold them, that means we sold more than we made. We make those up. Like Kirsten's finishing, which today's Sunday, she's finishing up those today. But it was the most mini kits we ever had to restock ever, I think, which is wild. But I was so happy that you guys loved everything. So that is everything for this week. Again, we have Sprinkles, we have I Do, we have Devilish, we have Cruise, and then last but not least, we have the mini kit exclusive of Saving Lives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dang. And then we also have the foil releases. So again, we have this gorgeous wiggle. We have the travel bucket list, the normal sized one. We have the mini one in the shop if you prefer a smaller option. There's also the full boxes of the travel, and then also the like beachy deco. So that is everything for this week. Now I have to go film a plan with me, but I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Super excited because I'm using over half of the kits, which is just wild. I'm finding a place for this. But I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.